Making strawberry muffins. First, you must preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/2 cups of frozen strawberries, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. First, mix your flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon in a large bowl. Mix them together and do not use your mixer on your counter. Set aside. In another bowl, mix your eggs, sugar, oil, and vanilla together. Add your 2 1/2 cups of strawberries. Make sure you mix well. Make a well in your dry ingredients and add your liquid ingredients to your dry ingredients. Mix just until moistened. Make sure you grease your muffin tins. And add flour. Pour your batter halfway into the greased muffin tins. Make sure you don't overfill. Stagger your pans in the oven. Bake 30 to 35 minutes. Wash your dishes while your muffins are baking in the oven. This recipe will yield 12 muffins. Make sure you loosen your muffins in the pan while they are cooling on the drying rack.